E haere ake nei ko te whiringa toa te kei tēnei, mo ngā waihi te kaumaoro te pake ke heke iho, he taki ono, 250 mita i roto i te aratua tahi tauhara taupuehu. Te kurukaupa Māori o te ara hauritu i te aratua rua, Toleka Bay in 3, in lane number 4, Here Taunga, te kura aiwi o Kokohuia in 5, Waiuku Waititi in 6, Opononi in 7, Hawaiki Roa in 8, Tauhara College in 9, Hamilton Girls in 10, Lakes High in 11, and Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Ngāti Awa, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Te Orini ki Ngāti Kahungunu in 12.
Poha ka toa. Tēnei whiringa toa.
We've watched these girls over the last couple of days in their whiringa whānui, in their heats, pumped out to the semis, and now they're out representing in the K final. The level this year, man, has increased tenfold. Normally we see a clear denominator on the course. There's normally a clear lead. This year it's really, really hard to spot with the white flag flying on the race course now. Up goes the red flag to potentially start this under 16 girls.
16 girls final.
Let's go. Green flag goes up and out the gate the girls go. Down they went. It looked like the first to come off the line was lane number 3. Ooh, too excited.
Bumper waka e te whānau. Haere tonu.
It's not very common you see bumper boats happening in Te Kei finals. These are girls in lane number 4 and lane number 3.
Pushing through it. Aha kua te aha.
Your leaders of the pack though look like they're in lane number 6. Waiuku. Waiti.
Ara tua ono. Waiuku Waiti te ngoto rātou kapa.
Beautiful work from all the girls on the course today. Giving each other a run for their money.
Ooh, lane 8 pushing them. Te kura kaupapa Māori o Hawaii ki hou tērā.
Can they maintain their lead to be crowned champions for 2026? Yes, they can, with a push at the last end to come through with gold medals to take home. Ara tua ono Waiuku Waiti.
Ooh, yeah. She can't believe it,
She
whānau.
can't believe it. She's in disbelief. Best believe it, girlsy, you going home with some gold. It's the start end of that race there, as you can see. Beautiful start in lane number 3. Unfortunately, I think the Kaiurungi was focused on her job so much she just decided she wants to be in lane number 6 instead. Lane number 7, I should say.
Pukenga nui te mahi Kaiurungi.
Tika rawa. There you see your champs come through the line.
Wai mari e hoki kare anō kia tau mai te āwha i konei. Allowing our rangatahi to finish the races off today. Finish strong, finish on a high.
Here's your results for the last race there on screen. As you can see, Waiuku Waiti coming through for gold with 1:16.83. Receiving the silver, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Hawaii ki hou with 1:18.82, 1:20.67 went to the Lakes High, Hinemoa.